Hello, good morning. Today in this video, we will see the similarities of the elephant and the human being. The elephant, as we see, it has got a tremendous power. Big structure, it can raise big trees and it can destroy so many houses and buildings by itself. And it can kill other animals and including human beings. But the human being, which is about 30 times smaller than the elephant and in strength, just controls its movement or what it can do or what it is supposed to do by certain commands and certain punishments. So such a powerful thing is, that power is harnessed by the intelligent human beings who has trained it as a child, a small baby elephant caught from the forest and tamed in the taming center, and it dare not exert its strength outside the commands of the mahout or the person who controls the elephant. So why is it? That is, the elephant's mind is, so supposed to say, put into a prison of its own belief. Similarly, human beings act like that also. So both of these human beings and elephant has got tremendous power. Whatever chooses it can do. But what happens is, the elephant and the human being don't believe that it can do, human beings or elephant can do everything. It is not restricted. How the restrictions are just beliefs in the minds of the elephant and the human beings. So we will see what these things are. So the elephant, as you see, as it walks through the streets, there is a chain about 3 meters, 1 or 2 meters chain tied to its back leg, one of the back leg. So when it walks, it hears the sound that there's a chain there. So it is its mind or brain is made to think that whenever that chain sound is there, it cannot escape, it cannot run. It has to obey the mahout. Because as a baby elephant, it is tied to the tree with a big chain, and it pulls and there is wound, there is severe pain, and it stops pulling. But it decides that it cannot break up. And later, the intelligent human being ties two meter of the chain, and which makes a sound, a portion hanging down, which makes a sound as the elephant barks. And each time elephant puts a hand, like its brain is reminded of that there is no escape. It cannot escape the chain. But actually, the chain is tied only to the elephant's back leg and not to tree. Now, but that belief pulled and it failed to break free and pain occurs. And its brain is programmed that there is no point in pulling, don't pull. So the intelligent human being, it knows the brain systems. It tames the elephant and makes it make left, right, and lift heavy trees, etc. So elephant does not know that it is now free. It can run, it can kill the mahout and other things, destroy. But it's a strong belief made in the minds of the elephant makes it so. Otherwise, it has to be reversed by strenuous long time reversal of the program. So similarly, the human beings, most of the human beings, they just are tied. They have several ties on their legs. That their brothers, sisters, if the father dies, the responsibility of bringing up the brothers and sisters come to the shoulder of the eldest son or daughter, and that person works lifelong for sustainment of the family. So afterwards, expends all the energy, and it decides that there is no point in now, so life is lost. But actually, it is not like that. That responsibility, that bringing up brothers and sisters and family, will be over when that brother and sister marries and makes a new family. They have to be set free to live the life themselves, and there is no need for caring for them. Then the person has to accept himself or living himself. There's a freedom. Even he has got strength of mind and body and healthy, he can decide that is all these things. There's no ties binding to the tree. Only there's a belief that other persons are attached to him. His brothers and sisters who he helped grow up with his hard-earned money working, they are no longer attached to him because they have another family and children. He cannot care for him. So there's no tie. But he thinks each time he hears their phone call or letter, he reminds of the ties he is tied to that. But that ties are just a jingling of the 2 meter chain bound to himself. It is not attached to anybody. So it is too late realizing this. Similarly, that is elephant and human beings. 90% of the human beings just making a joke of themselves, not providing for themselves and caring for others who forget them, don't care for them. So everyone should care for themselves first, then for others. There is no chain binding them. Second example is making money. Making money, when someone begin to make money, there are several ties in a child. As a child, is human being is tied to a big trees, just like his father and mother and grandfather, grandmother, who are may not be wealthy. And he says, when he wants a toy, he cannot buy because there is no money. He cannot ask. He thinks his father has not got much money for buying that toy, costly toy. He looks at the window and maybe 40 rupees, the big amount. What his father gives when in college is just 3 rupees, or now then and about 50 rupees per day, or 2 or 3 days, he will give 50 rupees or 100 rupees. So that should be only, that's the only limit in the beginning. So that is tying to a big tree like father or mother. After some time, after 18 years, the father decides that he is grown up. His needs cannot be met by himself. It's costly. Pants, shirt, mobile phone, and costly food. About 5,000, 6,000 per month. Father decides he cannot any or support his son or daughter, and he says 90% of the cases he indirectly or directly says you have to find a job and live separately. So that even if father or mother does not say, these children should know. They are set free. The chain is no longer there. So they should believe in their own power. Just like an elephant, that jingling of the chain attached to the parents or family is just a chain in his mind or his back leg which is tied to himself only. There is no attachment. But these human beings do not know that. So they should, 18 years, they should break free of this and use their full force because they are free and making money. Most of the people had 80% of the Keralites or Indians are brought up because of this. Last generation is not very rich. So they are made to think that money is very hard to get. Just like the chain tied to the parents or generation. But that's a chain jingling on his leg only, his own mind. Money is not hard to get. One should make value for himself. For a professional course, get scholarship, or somehow you go through the course and start living as a professional, or just a businessman. Start small, succeed, small success, big success, big success. Such people are there. So there's no limit for the money. No government or no country can limit a person getting as much money as possible. Is there? There's no law. The chain or the stopping factor is human being's mind only. He thinks it is not good or not right. It's not possible to make money in this setup. But there is. Put value to yourself, and that value you use to get money. That value, new and new abilities, and you can invent new things, new ways. You can live yourself new ways, and money will flow. So there is no limit. No government can say you cannot earn more than 50 crores. We will put you in jail. Nobody, no government, no powers in earth, any country can say that. They can, anybody can make any amount of money, crores and crores, and 10 to 20 years. Only thing, you should give a part of that money for the government or the country for its activities. Only that. Nobody says. But in a human being's mind, there is a chain tied to their own mind that money is difficult. Some people are against it, or nobody is against it, only that belief. Only you hear some people or some bad examples living by that and follow that. But actually, the nature has given full power. No, the nature sports makes us power to earn big amounts. Whatever we want, we can earn. Want, not want, we believe. There's no upper limit. Limit is our own mind. So this is a similarity between the limit is the chain just dangling in our mind. It is not attached to anywhere. There was no 2 centuries, no law or no king punished anybody for being rich. Only that he gets more tax. From the most wealthy person, he gets most tax, most money. So why should he punish any king or any government punish? Most rich means most tax. He pays more tax than anybody. So they are in favor of the rich people who pay taxes. So there is no hindrance of making any amount of money, any lifestyle, any big lifestyle is possible in any world, anywhere in the world, any country, any situation. Only one should not hear the jingle and just like saying some others. He should think for oneself and decide what he wants. So that's the similarity between elephant and human beings. Both are tied by the chains in their own minds. After 18 years of growing up, they are set free from the tree or the past generation. A new way is opened in front of them. Okay.